We'll see some breaks in the rain this week, but there's still some chances in some locations. Good evening, forecaster Mark Spencer from Ohio News and Weather. Those rain chances will be on and off through midweek. We'll see a break by late week with rain returning this weekend, perhaps. Models little bit changeable on the weekend setup, so I do expect some changes there. In the meantime, temperatures will run just a tad cooler than average for this time of year, which is probably welcome for many of you after some of that heat, and hopefully we get a break from some of that humidity as well. Our radar for this evening here does have some showers across parts of southeastern and south central Ohio with a cold front that's gradually sagging south out of the area, and that's welcome news. We do have some flood warnings and flash flood warnings in effect, however, across southeastern Ohio for some localized flooding, streams and creeks that are running high, and probably a couple of other areas where there's just lowland flooding as well with all the rain we got with the showers and storms over the weekend as well. This is going to move out Tuesday looking pretty dry. Could see a couple spotty showers. We'll take a look at that in just a moment, with another chance for rain in parts of Ohio Wednesday as well. Temperatures out there this evening, comfortable. It's actually not too bad out there this evening. Low to mid 70s across much of the state. As you get to southern Ohio, upper 70s to 80 in a couple of spots. So a very nice mild summer evening out there. Humidity is a touch high in some spots, especially southern Ohio, where some of that rain is falling as well. Our future radar, there's that rain moving out overnight, generally dry as we get into the day on Tuesday, especially in the afternoon. We'll see some spotty showers pop up here and there, mainly across eastern Ohio. Tuesday night and Wednesday, we're going to get this disturbance that grazes northern Ohio. Models do differ on that. Wednesday night into Thursday, we get the chance for a few more showers across southern Ohio there. And actually, it's Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night, my bad. And then overnight, Wednesday night, that will move out of here. Thursday looking dry, Friday not looking too bad, but then models start to differ by the weekend with rain chances moving across the state, more widespread rain perhaps, but we're going to wait on that one a little bit with some of the differences out there in some of the longer range models. How much rain are we expecting? This is going to take us through Friday here, and the good news here is we don't see big numbers, which is awesome, but across southern Ohio, figuring in today's rain as well, we could see 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Elsewhere, we'll generally stay below 1/4 of an inch in many places, with a couple places nearing 1/2 an inch here and there. Now, this will vary a little bit depending on where some of these showers set up tomorrow, and then kind of what happens on Wednesday a little bit. There is some scattered stuff that happens before you see the showers across southern Ohio, and then the stuff across northern Ohio. Again, models differ on that. With how that seems to set up. So some of that will change a little bit, but the good news here is that we're not expecting a ton of rain, and this will help alleviate some flooding issues too. We'll have a chance to recover at least a little bit. Temperature-wise, as we go through the week, another nice day, otherwise temperature-wise, upper 70s to around 80 Tuesday. Wednesday, generally mid to upper 70s, a couple low 80s out there across far southern Ohio. Thursday, about ditto. Gorgeous temperatures Thursday, and then Friday, also looking to be a very nice day, mid to upper 70s to around 80. Our temperature outlook for the next 6 to 10 days does show a decent chance of below average temperatures for about the northern third of Ohio, from Toledo down to just north of Columbus, and then down towards Marietta, and then outside of that, a little slightly less chance there, if you will, of below average temperatures. And then for southwestern Ohio, will generally be near normal, so that's the no color on the map. And that is kind of welcome after some of the heat we've had, but we're not talking crazy low temperatures. Generally over the next 10 days, again, low 80s, upper 70s for high. This is kind of an average across the state for the most part, so it'll vary north to south just a little bit. But the good news is it's some welcome relief after some of that summer heat we have had. Of course, you can track the latest temperatures, radar, and much more in our free Ohio News and Weather app. Be sure to download it today.